A quick, hard reset can fix most issues in under a minute. Here's the fastest way to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro and repair them. First, open the Galaxy Wearable app if you're using a regular Android device. If you're using a Samsung phone, you can also go directly to Settings, then open the Galaxy Buds extension from there. Once you're inside the Buds settings, scroll down until you see Manage Connections, and then select Reset. A message will appear telling you that this will restore the earbuds to their default settings. Go ahead and tap Reset again to confirm. Your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro will now reset and disconnect from your phone. To complete the process, place both earbuds back inside the charging case and close the lid. Wait a few seconds. When you're ready to reconnect them, simply open the charging case. If you're using a Samsung phone, the earbuds should appear automatically on your screen. If you're using another Android device, press and hold the button on the case to enter pairing mode. Then connect them manually through your Bluetooth settings. And that's it. Your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are now reset and ready to use again.